Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am cooking chicken fried rice. What you see here, I have some eggs. I'm probably only going to use about like 4 or 5. I have some boiled in bag rice. This is much easier. I have some boneless chicken thighs, some soy sauce. You need some sesame seed oil. I have an onion, green onion, and some carrots. You can use the stir fry bags or peas, whatever kind of vegetables that you want. I really don't like peas, so I'm just gonna stick with the carrots. Let's get started. What we're gonna do first is we're going to start boiling our rice. We got our rice on the stove. We're gonna cut up our chicken and our onion. The shredded carrots are really easier. You can find those in the vegetable section. Instead of slicing them or cutting them, these come in handy. So let's move on to the next step. Alright you guys, so as you see right here, I have my chicken diced, also my green onion and my regular white onion. Basically with this recipe, what you're gonna do is pretty much cook everything separately, which means your chicken you're gonna cook separately. On the side you're gonna cook your eggs, and then you're gonna cook your vegetables separate, and then at the end you're gonna put everything together. So I'm gonna show you right now. Let's get started. So our rice is nice and soft. We're gonna go ahead and strain that and put it aside. My pan is nice and hot. I'm gonna add some oil. And then I'm gonna add my chicken. Make sure you wash your hands after and before handling chicken. And be sure to clean all your counter and knife and cutting board with hot soapy water. You can also use Clorox. You guys, so now I'm gonna season my chicken with pepper, onion powder, garlic salt, and some salt. Basically right now it's pink, it'll turn white. Make sure that your chicken is cooked completely and there is no longer any pink. Guys, so I have 5 eggs here. What you're gonna do is get a bowl. You're gonna crack your eggs in this bowl. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna scramble them. And after you scramble them, they're gonna be fluffy, and you're gonna put that aside. Make sure you cover them until it's time to use them. You guys, so as you guys can see, my chicken is now white. There's no more pink. Right now I did notice as I was cooking my chicken, it started making some type of water, like a gravy inside the chicken. I don't know if it was oil or water. You can go ahead and strain that. We do not want that in our chicken, so if you strain it, it's fine. Just don't rinse out the chicken. Now we're gonna put our chicken aside. Put our chicken aside. Now we're gonna start on our scrambled eggs. Make sure you use a non-stick pan, that way your eggs do not stick to the pan. I'm gonna use like a drop of oil, just in case. To add the eggs that I scrambled into my pan. And then I'm going to add salt and pepper. We're going to start scrambling our eggs slowly into the pan until it's no longer runny. Guys, so my scrambled eggs are done. We are now going to put these aside and start on our vegetables. You guys, right here I have my carrots, my white onion, and my green onion. Like I said, you guys can use whatever vegetables that you like. Now I'm going to get my sesame seed oil. I'm going to add it to my pan. Then I'm going to add my vegetables. Now I'm going to cook that until it gets soft. You guys, here are my vegetables. I'm going to add some salt and pepper to this. Guys, so my vegetables are done. They're nice and soft, so now it is time to put everything together. Guys, so I got the wok out. Now I'm going to add some sesame seed oil to the pan. Add my rice. Add my egg. As well as my vegetables. Mommy. Add my chicken. And we're going to stir this all up. Now I'm going to add some more sesame seed oil. And I'm going to add some soy sauce. You can add as much as you want, just not too much. This is what we end up with, guys. You can taste it and add more soy sauce or sesame seed oil if you like. If not, it's time to serve. And this is my chicken fried rice, you guys. I'm gonna top it off with some crushed peppers because I like it spicy. You can use sriracha sauce, whatever you like. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, and we'll see you soon.